Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace spark plugs on a Toyota Avalon. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a 10mm socket, a 5/8" spark plug socket, various extensions, and a torque wrench. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns and allow for easier component handling. We will begin by identifying the ignition coils, which are directly connected to the spark plugs, typically found on top of the engine's valve covers. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now let's get to the spark plugs. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting. Next, carefully remove any engine covers or air intake components that obstruct access to the ignition coils. These are usually held by a few bolts or clips. Then, gently unplug the electrical connector from each ignition coil. Finally, use a 10mm socket to remove the bolt securing each ignition coil, allowing you to pull them straight up and out. This reveals the spark plugs beneath. With the ignition coils removed, you can now access the spark plugs. Use a 5/8" spark plug socket with an extension to carefully loosen and remove each old spark plug. Inspect the old plugs for signs of wear, oil fouling, or carbon buildup, which can indicate engine issues. Before installing new spark plugs, apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads. Hand tighten each new plug to avoid cross-threading. Then use a torque wrench to tighten them to approximately 13 foot-pounds, ensuring proper seating. After installing all the new spark plugs, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully reinsert each ignition coil over its corresponding spark plug, ensuring it seats properly. Secure the coils with their 10mm bolts. Reconnect all the electrical connectors to the ignition coils, making sure they click into place. Replace any engine covers or air intake components that you removed earlier. Finally, reconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. Start the engine to confirm smooth operation and check for any dashboard warning lights. You've successfully replaced your spark plugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.